see, Vlogmas day number 6. I didn't even vlog. I didn't vlog early this morning because my phone was dead and I was tired. It is about 1:05 in the afternoon. And my kids have already gotten on my nerves this early in the afternoon, whatever you want to call it. Go put your water on the table.
Oh.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
And as you can see, my living room is still toe up. But we did not put the Christmas tree up yesterday. We are going to attempt to do it today. And we will see what happens. You have to excuse the smacking of my children eating in the back. But hopefully today will be a positive day, a good day. And let's see how much we can get done. So I will see you guys later on today. Bye now. Alright guys, so like I said, nothing else really happened today. Still again, no Christmas tree put up. People are tired. I can't get to it. If I can get help getting it, I will definitely put it up myself. You have to excuse the noise in the background. For some reason my son just thinks he's supposed to come look dead at the back of the camera while I am recording. I decided to go ahead and do a $2 brand awareness raffle, which includes some pretty good stuff, and the package is ready to go out by this week. If you want to get in on that, the details are in the description bar, and I have also listed photos somewhere around here showing what is in that raffle. You can send the money for your raffle tickets through CASHAPP or through PayPal. I'll put that information somewhere in here, as well as the description bar. In order for you to get your ticket, you need to send in with your money a number from 1 to 200. I will be using random.org to choose the winner. The winner will be announced here on YouTube, on Facebook, because this is actually being done on my personal Facebook page. My business is about to come up on its 1-year anniversary, and we wanted to get brand awareness out so that my brand can come a little bigger than it already is. I'm grateful for everybody who has purchased from me, and those who intend to purchase from me, and those that I don't know who've purchased from me. I'm very, very, very thankful for you guys. So that's why I'm doing this $2 raffle. So get in on that, and I'm going to call this the end of Vlogmas day number 6. I am so surprised I even made it 6 days in this so far. So I will see you guys again tomorrow.
Still in the bank making deposits. You see who switched up sides and who was solid. You see who stuck to the code and who forgot it. Talk about it, bitch.
You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to make a